Everyone, so today ililinis ko yung aming water jug kasi papalitan na yung kanyang filter. So I'm doing this every 4 weeks. May parang timer siya or indicator kung kailan mo siya papalitan. Minsan siguro nakakalampas ng mga 1 or 2 days. Ang ginagawa ko muna, hinugasan siya. Sabon. More water and soap. Tapos, i-rinse ng mabuti. Water is a bit cold. So ito yung filter niya, Brita. So let me open. Stuff. Okay. So ito yung bago. Iraran ko muna cold water for 10 seconds. So, para makita nila ito. Then after 10 seconds, yung jug niya, nalagay ko siya doon. Then fill with cold water. Yan. Lagyan pa natin ng konti. Then I will leave it for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, I have to shake to get rid of the excess dirt. Whatever. So the water is turning a bit black or grayish. Then tapon yung water, yung filter, ilagay siya dito. Make sure i-push siya. Then assemble. Then water. Ayan o, nagde-drain na siya. So, once yung water nandito na sa bottom, itatapon natin. And then fill again. And then repeat. Itapon ulit. So, twice. And then after that, fill with water again. And it's ready. So, twice na itatapon yung water. At yung patatlo, that is ready for you to drink. So, it's easy as 1, 2, 3. So, kapag ready na siya, press lang tong start. And then, mag-appear yung bars. Ayan. 4 bars. So, 100%, 75, 50, 25. And then, kapag ready na siyang palitan, magbi-blink na lang siya. So, yun lang po. Thank you very much and see you next time. Bye!